everyone. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to put some elastic on the back of a shirt or anything that you want it to be smaller. This satin PJ was a little too wide for the bride. So I'm gonna fix that for her. So what we're gonna do to make sure that we put it centered, we're gonna flip it inside out. Then we're going to find the two sides. These are the sides. So we're gonna try to find the center of it by putting it like this. So you put it one against the other. Once you have it like this, then this right here will be your center. So you're gonna measure it to see how far up you want it to be. I'm gonna do 9 inches. So what I use is a crayon, and I'll mark where I want to be the center. So, oops. Once you mark that, you bring it back. Make sure you put it all the way out so flat, so you can have the center and you don't have more on one side than the other one. Okay, so I cut my elastic. Not sure how big it is. Let me see. It's 6 inches and a half, and it is only like about ½ inch wide. You can just whichever kind you have, but this is the one I have in hand. So this is our center, so we're gonna make sure that that is our center. So we're gonna measure again. I have 23 inches, so then my center is gonna be so it's 11, 22, 20, 11 and a half. So this is our center. So I'm gonna do kind of like a standing up line, a vertical line, and a horizontal line where the length of my elastic is gonna be. The vertical one is gonna help me to see where exactly my center is. So from there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our elastic. Let me put the camera closer so you can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this is my horizontal line. This is my vertical line. It's a very, very small one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my elastic right below my horizontal line. And let me fix my camera again. Okay, so once you have those lines, you are going to measure again. Based on this line, you're gonna measure 9 inches again, and then keep doing horizontal lines. That way your elastic is not gonna be, crooked. So like this or too high up, you're gonna have a straight line if you do that. So it's gonna be 9 inches, and I just do little dots. After I get my lines done, I put my elastic like this. Then I press it on the middle so I can mark a line, and then I put it right below my vertical line. So that crease is gonna be the center of it. So what I do, I use, you can use anything, but I use this pins that are usually for floral, kind of like at the botaniers and stuff. You can use bobby pins, you can use anything you have in hand. So then you pin it and secure it to be in place. And you just keep doing that until you're done with the elastic to be secured before you put it in the machine. I'm just gonna keep doing this, and then we go to the sewing part. Okay, we're gonna situate our elastic here. I just took it off all the way so I can measure and make sure that I have it all what I needed to have. Okay, just hold your needle down, and you're gonna go slow, go back, and then you're gonna pull it and make sure you're in a straight line. I wish I could put the end so I can get all the way to what I needed, but you know, it's hard with the last part of it, but no big deal. You just have to go with what you have. And there you go. So we have our elastic with our zigzag on it, and flip it over so you can see the end of it. And you see it is very nice. It's got the zigzag, and of course make sure you have a matching thread and everything so it's not visible. And by doing this, you can adjust the size. Like in this case, the bride is extra small. My PJs come in 2 sizes, regular and extra, plus. So the regular was a little too big for her. So when we started the PJs, let's measure it. When we started, the size of the PJ was 23 inches. By doing this, now our PJs are 18 inches wide. So that makes it as extra small, which will be a good fit for the bride. I put an elastic that is 6.5 inches long, and I think it's 1/2 inch wide. And I will put this on a different table so you guys can see how good it looks, but it looks really nice, very, very nice. It is simple, but it's very helpful when it comes to adjusting sizes. These satin PJs are very comfy, very cute. I personalized them with monograms or initials or anything you want me to put, but most of them are just monograms and initials, but I get asked to put on. I can also put bride or bridesmaids, whatever you guys need. And it's a set, the PJs with the shorts. You can find this on my Etsy shop, and the personalization is free, of course. I can put something on the back if you want to, but most of the brides just want this. So yeah, there you go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.